Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses eastern Illinois, most of Indiana, and west central Kentucky. Cities in today's slate include Indianapolis, Indiana, Evansville, Indiana, Champaign, Illinois, Bloomington, Indiana, and Lafayette, Indiana. We have a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses eastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, parts of Illinois, northern and eastern Indiana, southern Michigan, most of Ohio, and northwestern Pennsylvania. Cities in today's marginal include Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Going to today's tornado threat, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east central Illinois and west central Indiana. The 5% tornado risk area today includes Champaign, Illinois, Lafayette, Indiana, Terre Haute, Indiana, Urbana, Illinois, and Danville, Illinois. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of Illinois, parts of Kentucky, much of Indiana, southern Michigan, and northwestern Ohio. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Toledo, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Joliet, Illinois, and Springfield, Illinois. Now going to the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today that encompasses eastern Illinois, most of Indiana, and a little bit of western Kentucky. The 15% wind risk area today includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Evansville, Indiana, Champaign, Illinois, Bloomington, Indiana, and Lafayette, Indiana. We have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today, encompassing eastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, parts of Illinois, parts of Kentucky, northern and eastern Indiana, southern Michigan, most of Ohio, and northwestern Pennsylvania. The 5% wind risk area today includes Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, St. Louis, Missouri, Toledo, Ohio, and Cincinnati, Ohio. And now for today's hail threat, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of Illinois, northern Indiana, far northwestern Ohio, and southern Michigan. Alright, the 5% hail risk area today includes Fort Wayne, Indiana, Joliet, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, South Bend, Indiana, and Gary, Indiana. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible over parts of the Midwest and lower Ohio Valley this afternoon through the evening. Severe, damaging wind gusts and a couple of tornadoes are the primary threats. So, that's your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, even the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck they can pull off sometimes. So, anyway, and I will not have a Day 2 severe weather outlook, because Day 2, there's no thunderstorms forecast for Day 2. There are no thunderstorms forecast for Day 2. So there likely will be no Day 2 severe weather outlook. So, but there is something for, fire weather for Day 2. So I will have a Day 2 fire weather outlook, it looks like. Hold on, let me just check to see. Yep, there is something for Day 2 fire weather. So stay tuned for the Day 2 fire weather outlook. And once that gets updated, I'll be able to do a Day 2 fire weather outlook. But anyway, stay safe in the marginal, but especially be safe in the slight. Stay safe in both the slight and the marginal. Even the marginal, but especially the slight, be safe, and the slight. But again, be safe in both marginal and the slight for today. Take care.